In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a book icon in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to refine your design skills, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to create a stylish book icon from scratch. First, let's open up Figma and get started on your canvas. If you're not already familiar with the Figma interface, don't worry. It's quite intuitive, and I'll guide you through it. Look for your Figma canvas where we'll begin our design process. Once you've got that open, make sure you're on a blank canvas where we can start creating our book icon. Next, direct your attention to the main menu located at the top left corner of the Figma interface. This menu is your gateway to many of Figma's powerful tools and functionalities. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list of options. From here, you'll want to navigate to the File option. Clicking on File will give you access to various file-related actions, but for now, we're focusing on one specific task. Now, locate and click on the Place Image option. This is a crucial step because it allows us to choose and insert images directly from your library into your Figma project. Once you've clicked on Place Image, you'll be prompted to browse through your computer or your Figma library to select an image. This is where you'll need to have your book icon image ready. Choose the book icon from your library that you want to work with. If you don't have one yet, you might consider creating or downloading a simple book icon beforehand to use for this tutorial. Once you've selected the book icon, it will appear on your Figma canvas. From here, you can adjust the icon as needed. You might want to resize it, change its color, or add additional elements to make it uniquely yours. Figma offers a range of design tools that allow you to customize your icon further, so feel free to experiment and refine your design to match your personal style or project requirements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully placed and prepared a book icon within your Figma project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and techniques to enhance your design skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy designing!